Hey YouTubers, I've owned quite a few Hondas, and every Honda that I've owned has the cabin air filter located behind the glove box. Now this is a 2024 CR-V, but it's been the same location on all of the Accords and all of the Ridgelines we've owned, and this is one of the more complicated ones, so that's why I wanted to demo it on this vehicle. So again, I think this is going to apply to every single Honda. If your Honda has the air filter in a different location, let me know in the comments below. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, open the glove box. And you see how that glove box opened very slowly? That's because it's equipped with a damper right here. And this little device makes the glove box open a little slower. And that's an extra step we're going to need to take care of that I don't have to deal with on the Ridgeline. On the Ridgeline, I open the glove box and it just pops right down. So the first thing we got to do is get everything out of here. So, okay, glove box is empty. Step number 2, if your vehicle has a damper, we're going to disconnect that. Okay, so here we see the damper right here, this little plastic rod that comes down, and we're going to unsnap that from the glove box door. So you put your thumb right there on that little thumb grip and push. There we go. On each of the sides of the glove box, there's a tab back here that catches on the glove box frame and prevents the glove box door from coming down further. We need to release those tabs by pushing inward on the sides of the glove box so it can come down further. Now, on some of the Hondas, I've been able to squeeze both in at the same time, and it's very easy and it drops right down. On the CR-V, it's a lot stiffer and it's more difficult, so I'm going to do these one side at a time. There we go. Okay, the glove box is down as far as it will go. Now on some Hondas, you can clearly see the filter and you can get to it through here and access it, and that's all you need to do. On this one though, it's a little bit more difficult. On the CR-V at least, we have to remove the glove box door. And so we're going to do that by pulling it straight towards us. And it comes completely out of the way. With the glove box completely removed, we have a clear view of the cabin filter here. It's behind this small cover, and so we're going to squeeze the tab in on either side and remove the cover. Now on the CR-V, we have a cover, and you see the filter right here. On my Ridgeline, this is actually a drawer, and it comes out with the filter inside the drawer. And so on the Ridgeline, we pull the filter out, put the new one in, and slide the drawer back in. On this one, it's a little different. Here we simply pull out the old filter. Okay, so let's make sure our airflow is pointing downward, and we've got it in the same orientation as what was in there originally. And we're just going to put this in the slot, push it back as far as it will go, and now we're going to replace the cover. And again, this will have an arrow on it that will either say airflow or it may say which direction the cover goes. On my Ridgeline, it says airflow and points downward. On this one, it says up, indicating that it goes in this orientation, not this orientation. So we're just going to pop that back into place. And make sure you got it secured. That's clicked in on both sides. That's in there good. All right, we're going to put things back together. You see this little hinge right here? We're going to put that right here. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. So that's installed. Now we're going to take these two tabs, and we're going to squeeze in and get those past the glove box frame, and make sure that this whole damper doesn't get in the way. Okay, that's done. Okay, the last thing we're going to do is reconnect this damper. It has a small little hook shape at the bottom that we're going to snap over this portion right here. So reach behind it and pull forward. And that's it. Air filter replaced, glove box reinstalled. Like I say, these techniques are going to work on every Honda I've ever encountered. If you find one that's different, please let me know in the comments below. I hope you find this helpful. Please like and subscribe if you did.